Hi guys, okay, let's go ahead and do central tendency using Excel. This is what we did in class. I'm just going to go over it. So the first step in central tendency is to find the mean. Here is our data set. All I did with our data set was list it from high. So lowest, you can do lowest to highest, that's up to you. But I just did it in that order and I've just kind of put it for each of my sections. That's what I have here first. So to do the mean, I'm going to do equals average, open parentheses, and then I'm going to click and drag all of my numbers. So 11 to 2, I'm going to do close parentheses, and then I'm going to hit enter. For my median is going to be my middle number. However, if you see here on your right hand corner, after I click and drag my numbers, I have a count of 10. That means the even set of numbers means that there is no middle number, right? So I'm going to do the average of the two middle numbers, which is going to be these two 5s here. Those are my two middle numbers. So I'm just going to do equals average, open parentheses, my two middle numbers. Go ahead. Your mode is going to be your most repeating number. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead with 5. Your range is going to be your highest number minus your lowest number. So I'm going to do equals 11 minus 2. Now, if you have it listed the other way where it's 2 to 11, that's fine, but make sure that you're clicking 11 first and then you're clicking 2. It's your highest minus your lowest. Okay, moving on to variance. So for variance, as you guys can see, there's only like one column for each of these, but for variance, I'm going to use 3 columns, right? So for the second column, you're going to go ahead and subtract each of your numbers by the mean. So equals the number to your left minus the mean, okay? So you're going to go ahead and do that for every single one of your numbers that you have listed, for all 10 of them. So now that you have all of these numbers, now what you're going to do is you're going to square all of these numbers. So you're going to do equals the number to your left, the caret symbol, and 2. Okay, so equals number to your left, caret symbol, and 2. Okay, and so you're going to go ahead and do that for every single one. All right. Once you have all those squares computed for each of these numbers, you're going to do the sum of squares. So equals sum, and you're going to add up all your squared answers. So everything in the third column. Okay, and then hit enter. Your n minus 1 is going to be how many numbers you have minus 1. So here we have 10 numbers, and so 10 minus 1 is 9. So I'm going to put 9 here. And then finally, your official variance answer is going to be equals the SS, so your sum of squares, divided by the 9. Okay? You're going to have an answer there. Now, your standard deviation is super easy. All you have to do is get the square root of the variance. So you just do equals SQRT, open parentheses, click on your answer for variance, close parentheses, and that's it. So that's how you go ahead and complete central tendency in Excel.